How to sublimate coasters Silhouette tutorial. Step 1. In Silhouette Studio, go to File and select Merge. Step 2. Locate and select the design you want to use to import it into the media. Step 3. Resize it from the Quick Access toolbar and click Center to Page. Step 4. Go to File again and select Merge. Step 5. Select the design you want to use and click OK to import it into the media. Step 6. Resize the design and click Center to Page. Step 7. Select both the design, click Line Color drop-down and select Transparent to remove the red outlines. Step 8. Go to Shapes, select a circle, then click and draw a circle of any size. Step 9. Make sure that the aspect ratio is locked, then resize the circle from the Quick Access toolbar. Step 10. Drag the coaster design and place it inside the circle to ensure that it fits, then set the design aside. Step 11. Select the other design and select Image Effects from the right toolbar. Step 12. Increase the amount slider to the highest, then select the Fill panel. Step 13. Slide the transparency slider to increase the transparency. Step 14. Drag the design to the circle, select all the design and click Center. Step 15. Zoom in and see how the design looks. Step 16. Now select the background in the circle and select the Modify panel from the right toolbar. Step 17. Click Crop, reposition the design as required, then zoom out. Step 18. Make duplicates of the design depending on the number of coasters you're sublimating. Step 19. Once done, open the Page Setup panel, set the machine to none and the cutting mat will be defaulted to none. Step 20. Set the media size to letter. Step 21. Right-click the design and click Flip horizontally. Step 22. Go to File and select Print. Check the Print Preview page and click Print. Step 23. Select the printer you'll be printing from and click Print. Step 24. Grab the printed design and trim off the excess material. Step 25. Grab the coaster and line it up with the design. Place butcher paper on the work surface and place the coaster and design on top. Step 26. Place another sheet of butcher paper on top and press for about 115 seconds at 400 degrees. Step 27. Once done, remove the butcher paper and set it aside. Step 28. Go ahead and press the other coasters following the same steps. Step 29. Once they cool down, check how the design turned out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.